all. So now let's start the journey with the learning of TypeScript, okay, which is very important part of your Angular applications, because all the business logic you are going to write on TypeScript only. So let's start TypeScript. Yeah. So first thing we need to learn what is ES5 and what is ES6. So ES 2015 is basically ES6. So TypeScript, which is based on ES 2015 or ES6. So now all the browsers are till not supporting TypeScript and ES6. So all the browser is still based on the ES5. So how do browsers understanding your TypeScript code? For that, we required one transpiler. So transpiler is the thing which will be converting our ES6 code to ES5 code. So there are various transpilers available in market: Trezor, Babel, and TypeScript. So we are going to learn TypeScript. So because Angular is using TypeScript, so let's learn TypeScript. So its TypeScript is open source Microsoft technology. It's a superset of JavaScript compiled in a plain JavaScript. All the features of 2015 and 16. Okay, so that's the major feature of TypeScript. So let's start learning TypeScript. So if you think why we require TypeScript, so it's because if you can develop a whole web application with JavaScript also. So TypeScript required because people who are coming from the developer community from like Java, C Sharp, and other object-oriented languages, they are missing the concepts like inheritance, polymorphism, interfaces. So, because it's based on ES5, so JavaScript, it's very tough to implement those concepts. That's why TypeScript, which is a superset of a JavaScript, is capable to do this kind of things, object-oriented concepts. Okay. So, beginning with a TypeScript, I will be using online editor. Playground. So that is for only learning of TypeScript. Yeah. So now this is the editor, online editor, which will be converting your TypeScript code to JavaScript code and compiling it. Okay. So first topic is declaration of variable. How to declare a variable in TypeScript. So there are three ways to declare a variable in TypeScript. First one is var a comma is a type of, suppose, number equal to 10. So here we are declaring a variable, and as well as we are giving the data type, and last I am giving the initialization. Second way of declaration is var p is a type of number. So here we are not initializing the data type, only I am giving the data member and your data type. Third way of declaration, only we can say what's C. So that is also possible in TypeScript. So TypeScript also, it supports all three types of data declaration. So for this video, I'm enough. I'm done with the mind, and I'll be continuing with the next video. Thanks for watching. Continue watching our videos. Thanks for